In the 50s, consumers began to want clean and easy dog food at a cheap price. Kibble entered the market. In extrusion method, ingredients are subjected extreme heat and pressure. Grinding, heating and drying affects nutrients negatively. Proteins, enzymes, vitamins and essential omega fatty acids degrade. For example, synthetic vitamins and omega fatty acids are often added to kibble afterwards. Consumers' faith in complete dry dog food is still strong. Many people don't even know how to feed their dogs anything else. Hardly anyone would want to eat just kibble all the time. Do you also think that kibble is dull? And intestine microbes possibly need something more than kibble? But what is safe for dogs? What to add to kibble? It is good to feed 2/3 of the portion kibble, but you can replace 1/3 with food that is suitable for dogs. Usually, when 2/3 of the food is kibble, no vitamin or mineral supplements are needed. There is a risk of overdose. Animal source products are good for dogs, for they contain a lot of fat and protein. Many plant foods also have significant benefits to dogs. Wild canines eat some plant foods, too. So, what to add to dog kibble? Usually, 1 to 2 additional foods are suitable, for too many foods at the same time in the stomach may cause diarrhea. In the beginning, always start with very small amounts. Dogs always need to get used to new foods. They easily get diarrhea. What foods can you give with kibble? Is dry dog food monotonous and boring? Replace some kibble with fish. Especially, naturally oily fish like sardines, salmon and mackerel are rich in essential omega-3 fatty acids. Fish is excellent food for dogs. It has also many other benefits like proteins, vitamins, minerals. Remove bones, heads and entrails from the fish. Don't give raw fish. There is a risk of parasites and bacteria. Cook or microwave the fish. Fried fish is not good for dogs. Leave out the spices and salt. Essential omega-3 fatty acids EPA and DHA are got from fish and seaweed. They are essential for health. Studies suggest that the composition of the gut microbiome can have a profound effect on overall health. When we take care of our dog, we need to take care of the gut microbes. Non-starchy, high-fiber vegetables, such as broccoli, green beans, carrots, cauliflower, asparagus, and leafy greens, such as spinach, kale, or collard greens, are packed with prebiotic fiber, which is linked to the benefits of gut bacteria when eaten. These foods also contain antioxidants. Diversity of good bacteria is a good thing. The diversity of your dog's gut microbiome starts with what your dog eats. I think kibble is not very natural. However, dry dog kibble is good for teeth and contains vitamins, trace elements, and in some cases omega-3 fatty acids. Some people feed their dog only once a day, but it is better to divide the portion into 2 and feed twice a day. If you feed your dog twice a day, it won't be so hungry and stressed. Some individuals gain weight easily. Do not risk your dog's health by overfeeding. Meat is a natural and very nutritious food for dogs. If your dog is not used to raw meat, start with a small amount. Remember to practice good hand and kitchen hygiene. Always feed only high-quality meat. Meat is a great natural source of proteins and fats, and it also provides several vitamins and minerals. The proportion of proteins plus fats in a dog's diet, approximately 34 to 44% in total, is quite good in normal situations. Eggs are also a good source of fats, proteins, vitamins and minerals. The egg white may reduce the absorption of biotin if you feed a lot of eggs for a long time. However, the yolk normally corrects the situation. So feed both the yolk and the egg white. Give your dogs only high-quality, safe eggs. If you are hesitant to give them raw, you can feed boiled eggs or scrambled eggs. It is a good idea to break washed and boiled eggshells into small pieces. Eggshells offer calcium and collagen. Dietary supplements should not be used as a substitute for a varied diet. The best source of essential omega-3 fatty acids for dogs are oily fish, especially wild fish. Alternatively, it is good to give a little fish oil every now and then, preferably one that also contains vitamin E. Vegetable oils contain omega-3 fatty acid ALA. This fatty acid is to some extent converted by the dog's body into DHA and EPA. For example, you can offer a spoonful of rapeseed oil or flaxseed oil every now and then. In addition to ALA, they contain a lot of vitamin E. Dogs can have varying degrees of lactose intolerance. If you are unsure, give only a small quantity of milk product. For example, cottage cheese, buttermilk, and cheese can be offered in small amounts occasionally. You can choose low lactose or lactose-free products. Do not give products with sweeteners. Carrots are good for dogs. They offer beta-carotene, the pigment which is converted into vitamin A. This vitamin is crucial for healthy vision. Carrots also offer other vitamins, potassium and fiber. So, offer a carrot every now and then. It is usually best to cut or grate carrots into small pieces, as raw pieces of root vegetables can sometimes block the intestines. Boiled and smashed potatoes or sweet potatoes are a good addition to your dog's diet every now and then. It is good to peel sweet potatoes. Do not give fried potatoes, French fries or chips. Potatoes provide vitamins, minerals and carbohydrates. Rice is also a source of carbohydrates, which dogs need for energy. It can sometimes be added to dog food. Rice is generally suitable for dogs suffering from diarrhea. Some vegetables are suitable for dogs, some are not at all. Broccoli, peas, beans, cucumbers, celery, spinach and Brussels sprouts are vegetables that are suitable for dogs. Chop them if necessary. Raw vegetables are harder for your dog to digest than cooked ones, so it's best to puree or lightly cook them. This also helps your dog absorb the vitamins and minerals from the vegetables. Some fruits and berries are suitable for dogs. Some are not. You can give in small quantities, for example blueberries, strawberries, seedless apples, bananas, and watermelon. You can add other food to your dog's dry food. Replace a small portion of the kibble. Always start with small amounts and only give 1 or 2 foods at a time. Only feed your dog food that is safe for dogs.